How to buy Bybget token. So this token came under the symbol of BTC. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice or not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created just 13 hours ago and increased by 9,000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 1 in the Solana section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your Phantom wallet. For that, as you can see, now first of all, I will just log into my wallet to be able to buy this token. Now, what you need to do after that, just click here on swap, but make sure to select the Solana token here, and from the bottom, click here, and now you can paste the token address in the search bar. Now, if you don't find your token on Phantom wallet, try another wallet. For this example, I will try the Bitget wallet. Now, open the Bitget wallet. Now I will log in to my wallet. I will just re-enter the password. Now what you need to do is just from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the Solana network. Now click on this plus icon and now you can paste the token address in the search bar to be able to add it to your wallet. Now as you can see, our token is available on Bitget wallet to be able to add it to our wallet, and from there you can buy this token. So first of all, make sure to read that warning before going and add this token to your wallet. So after you read the warning and you are ready to go, now you can click the plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and now keep searching. Just keep searching until you find your token that just added called BTC. Now after you find it, now just click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and now you can type the amount that you want to buy with as example. So this is how much you will be able to receive, and now you can click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy BTC token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.